Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course series. My name is Jürgen Hoffmann and I am a MainView software consultant in Germany. To diagnose problems, you often need to have a closer look at the running tasks. In this demo, I will show you how to view information about real-time and historical tasks using MainView for CICS. Let's start from the easy SSI menu. From here we hyperlink to user tasks. By default, the tasks are sorted first by target and second by task number. Of course, we can change it easily. For example, entering sort in the command field and placing the cursor in column CPU time shows the same view sorted in descending order of CPU consumption. After the sort, the task with the transaction ID GR02 is on top. We see that task 6422 on target CAGA is taking a lot of CPU time, and so we will hyperlink on this task ID to get more details. Because of the very high CPU consumption, we will have a look at the CPU time data. Here we see that all CPU is consumed in QRTCP. It seems likely a tight loop. So we decide to eliminate the task. We can do it with 6 different commands: cancel, purge, or task kill. But all 3 have problems with CPU loops. They only gain control when the task issues exec CICS commands. The other options are delete, kill, or force. So we will enter the line command kill. It kills a task without a dump as long as the integrity of the CICS region can be maintained. The online help system describes all options very well. Of course, killing manually is not the only way MainView for CICS offers for eliminating misbehaving tasks. In real CICS environments, you can use the task kill exit, or you can build an automated solution in AutoOperator based on low-level monitors. For a complete history of all transactions available, you must define a place for storing the transaction history. In general, you will use a pair of vSAM datasets for each CICS system. We use the administrative dialog for it. When you set the create option to yes, the necessary datasets are automatically allocated and initialized, if they are not already exist. For less important systems, you can consider using dataspace instead of datasets. Change dataspace from no to yes. But the transaction history would be gone if the product address space is restarted. To access the transaction history, we can hyperlink on quick selection, or we can enter command see history. In both cases, we will see the selection panel. The see history dialog provides an easy way to define search criteria for retrieving history records. See history enables you to define up to 3 values for various selection masks. Restrict the search with various qualifiers, such as abandoned transactions only, define the time frame to be searched, or define the numbers of records returned by the search. In our example, we want to select all transactions starting with GR. We enter a mask and you can see that wildcards are allowed. 8 transactions starting with GR are displayed. The red color indicates that 7 of them abandoned. Similar to drilling down from the task view, we can hyperlink on the task number to get more details. Let's choose the one with the highest CPU time, task number 6405. Now we can choose which details to view. Let's look at the CPU time data. The CHIS DC display is intentionally designed to bear a close resemblance to real-time display task DC, what we saw before. And this is true for all detail history views and their real-time companions. If a transaction has abandoned like this one, the task overview CHIS-D shows the aband codes in the lower right corner. Here it is AICA. In CICS environments with very high transaction rates, let's say thousands per second, follow these guidelines. Select only one CICS or a small group of CICS systems at a time. If necessary, increase the default and the maximum of both record count and execute count. These limits are defined in bbprof member BDR #DEF. Next time you enter MainView for CICS, you will see the new definitions we saved in member BDR #DEF for record and execute count. Thank you for your time. For more information about any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here.